Hey everyone, welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design. If you love smart home design and want to make the most of every inch of your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about small house design, how to maximize space, add style, and make your home feel bigger than it is. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest interior design tips. By subscribing, you'll get exclusive access to expert insights, design trends, and practical advice to transform your home. Plus, we love engaging with our community, so don't hesitate to drop a comment and share your thoughts. Whether you're looking for small space solutions, modern decor inspiration, or just love everything about interior design, we've got you covered. Now, let's get started and explore how you can make the most of every inch of your home. So let's be honest, living in a small home comes with its challenges. It's easy for things to feel cramped or cluttered, but here's the good news. With smart design choices, even the tiniest space can feel open, functional, and stylish. Whether you're working with a studio apartment, a cozy cottage, or a compact city home, there are some brilliant design tricks that can transform your space. From clever storage hacks to strategic furniture placement, every decision you make has the potential to create a more spacious, functional, and stylish home. And trust me, the best interior designers use these strategies all the time to turn even the tiniest spaces into beautifully designed havens that feel anything but cramped. One of the best ways to make a small space feel bigger is by embracing an open concept layout. By removing unnecessary walls and barriers, you allow light to flow freely, creating an airy and expansive feel. Now, if you're thinking, but I don't want my entire home to feel like one big room, don't worry. There are ways to define spaces without making them feel boxed in. Think about using partial dividers such as slatted wood panels or glass partitions, which help break up different areas while maintaining that essential openness. Open shelving is another fantastic option. It acts as a subtle divider between spaces like the living area and kitchen, while offering functional storage and display opportunities. Rugs and different flooring materials can also create a visual separation between spaces without the need for walls. Furniture placement plays a big role too. Instead of pushing everything against the walls, try floating your sofa or positioning a dining table strategically to establish distinct zones within an open-plan layout. A well-placed console table or a low bookcase behind a sofa can help subtly define areas without making them feel cramped. With these smart design choices, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, an open, breathable space that still has structure and purpose. Think about partial dividers, glass partitions, or even open shelving to create separation without blocking light. For example, a floating bookshelf can act as a subtle barrier between a living area and a workspace, while still keeping things airy. In a small home, every piece of furniture should work hard. The best trick? Go for multifunctional pieces. Think sofa beds, extendable dining tables, and ottomans with hidden storage. Imagine this: a stylish coffee table that lifts up to become a work desk, or a bed with drawers underneath for extra storage. These are the game changers that save space while keeping things sleek. And let's not forget wall-mounted desks and foldable furniture. They're lifesavers for small apartments. Let's talk storage, because let's be real, clutter makes any space feel smaller. The trick is to think vertically. Use walls, corners, and even ceilings to store things efficiently. Floating shelves, built-in wall units, and overhead cabinets help you take advantage of every available space. A great example: instead of a standard bedside table, try a wall-mounted shelf. Or, instead of a bulky wardrobe, opt for a sleek floor-to-ceiling unit that blends seamlessly with the walls. Even using the space under your stairs for built-in storage can make a huge difference. Lighting and color play a massive role in how spacious a room feels. Lighter colors, like soft whites, pastels, and warm neutrals, can open up a space, while mirrors and strategic lighting enhance the sense of depth. One clever trick? Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light. It instantly makes the room feel twice as big. Also, layer your lighting with a mix of ceiling lights, floor lamps, and under-cabinet lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The layout of your home can make or break how functional it feels. The key is to create designated zones without overcrowding the space. Instead of pushing all your furniture against the walls, try floating some pieces to create a better flow. For example, in a small living room, a compact L-shaped sofa can define the seating area without taking up too much room. Instead of a traditional coffee table, consider a nesting table set that can be tucked away when not in use, or an ottoman with hidden storage that doubles as extra seating. Wall-mounted shelves can replace bulky bookcases, keeping the floor clear and making the room feel more open. In kitchens, opting for a galley-style layout or incorporating open shelving instead of bulky cabinets can keep things feeling light and airy. Adding reflective surfaces, such as a glass backsplash or glossy cabinet finishes, can further enhance the sense of space by bouncing light around the room. Even small changes, like installing under-cabinet lighting, can make a kitchen feel larger and more inviting. Dining areas in small homes can also benefit from multifunctional design. A drop-leaf table that folds away when not in use, or even a wall-mounted dining table that can be folded down, can create more flexibility in a compact space. By choosing space-saving furniture and strategic layout solutions, you can make even the smallest home feel open, stylish, and highly functional. Let's take a quick real-life example. We recently worked on a London flat, just 40 square meters. The challenge? Making it feel stylish, functional, and uncluttered. We knocked down a dividing wall to open up the kitchen and living area, installed a Murphy bed to maximize floor space, and used mirrored closet doors to reflect light. The result? A bright, airy home that feels twice as big as it actually is. And that's the power of smart design. Small spaces don't have to feel sterile. Adding greenery and textures can make them feel warm and inviting. Hanging plants, vertical gardens, or even a small indoor tree can bring life into the space without taking up valuable square footage. If you have limited floor space, consider installing wall-mounted planters or using trailing plants on shelves to introduce greenery without cluttering your surfaces. Even a simple vase of fresh flowers on a side table can bring a sense of freshness and vibrancy to a compact room. Soft furnishings like textured cushions, woven rugs, and layered fabrics can also add depth and comfort without overwhelming the room. Opt for light, breathable fabrics like linen and cotton for a relaxed feel, or go for rich velvets and wool blends for a touch of luxury. Incorporating a variety of materials, such as knitted throws, rattan furniture, and plush upholstery, can create a visually interesting space that feels inviting and cozy. Don't underestimate the power of tactile design. Even in a small room, the right combination of textures can add a sense of dimension and warmth, making the space feel intentional rather than merely compact. A carefully chosen mix of soft furnishings, natural elements, and well-placed greenery can turn any small home into a stylish and comfortable sanctuary. So there you have it, some of the best small house design ideas to help you maximize your space without sacrificing style. Whether it's multifunctional furniture, clever storage solutions, or smart layouts, these tips can transform even the tiniest home into a stylish and functional retreat. What's your biggest small space challenge? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Oraanj Interior Design, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.